Look at this gorgeous little kitty cat. Hi, Pop. You're so cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am gonna go over week 2 of my weight loss journey. So I did a really great job at sticking to my diet for the last week. My weight is the same as of now. It hasn't budged, but my measurements have. I have lost a total of an inch all over my body. I am now at 41 at the hips, 30.5 at the waist, and 41 inches at my chest. So I'm actually pretty happy about that my measurements are going down. Over the weekend, like I said, I did stick pretty much to my diet. I think Sunday I had Thai food. That's my only cheat meal that I had. And then yesterday I had like low fat turkey chili for lunch. And I think the only other thing, I had chicken strips yesterday for dinner because I had a huge a horrible headache after work because I hadn't eaten since like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I got off at 9. So I just stopped by Chick-fil-A and got chicken strips. But other than that, I mean, I didn't really cheat much on my meal plan. It was just the chicken strips, the Thai food. I didn't even eat all of it. I ate like half of the portion that was given to me because I got it super spicy, which helped my sinuses. So it helped out on with my cold. Today I actually do feel a hell of a lot better, so I am hoping to make it to the gym right after work. Normally I like working out in the mornings, but I am still playing with my schedule right now, especially because it is changing and I do start my classes on January 28th. So I think I have to just work out at night now. And it's not my favorite time to work out because the gyms are packed and everyone's using the equipment I need, and it's just easier to go at 4 or 5 in the morning. But until I figure out how I'm gonna do that with my schedule, especially because I'm in the middle of training somebody right now at work. She's like my assistant according to my boss, but I mean, she's doing a great job and I really do appreciate the help, but I think my boss has other ideas and I don't know what's going on. So yeah, I do believe that my weight has not budged because of my stress levels right now, and I'm those people who hold on to fat when they're super stressed out. It's just like my cortisol levels get out of control. My anxiety is back right now, and I'm not sure what the root of all of this is, but I do start therapy today. And I actually, because I did, one thing I learned is like no matter how many times I go on a weight loss journey, if I'm not addressing my mental or emotional issues, I'm never gonna get anywhere. And I need a fresh start this year. I need to let go of some baggage, and I need to also learn how to control my stress levels because I'm horrible. I do not know how to control my stress. It just goes out of whack, and my whole life spirals out of control when my stress level gets super high. So yeah, that is my plan of action for the next week. I am still doing the meal preps. I am starting therapy, and I am going to start going to the gym because I have a little bit of the sniffles now, but I don't have a cold anymore. I think it's just a congestion because it's been raining here in California and we're not used to this weather. So, you know, sniffles is the only thing I have left. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys like this content, please remember to subscribe and like the video, and I will check back in with you on September. We're not there yet, so January 22nd. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.